Big Brother Nigeria is an entertainment, where they say they entertain us, with different tasks, people meeting people for the first time, getting to know each other. But then it has not turned into something else, In the process of this Big Brother, people meet each other, We've seen people that got married meeting each other, in the Big Brother house. But then immorality in the midst of it now. And what it's saying now, the federal government should ban Big Brother Nigeria in Nigeria because it is a calamity. What do you have to say to that?
It's very, very serious. Very, very serious. Because our youth now, they don't want to work.
They give for
free
money.
There is something that I saw, that I heard about a young girl that's supposed to go to.
Yeah, she was supposed to be called to bar, and then she got a call from Big Brother house that she was coming. They wanted her to come into the house for the show. Okay. So she abandoned her call to bar for the reality show. She said call to bar can wait.
Okay. And
of course, she can actually do that next year. Okay. So reality show cannot wait. Misplaced priorities.
Can you imagine? Call to bar can wait. Reality show
cannot
wait because of the money,
and the fame.
And the fame that she wants everybody to see her, and what they are doing there, I don't know too. Because you will see some of them dressed, you will be thinking that this one come out from somebody's
house, dressed alone.
And the way they behaved here, you will see some of them, they'll say they're having sex
in the house. Someone
and
from everywhere.
They are catching fun. Is that fun? Sleeping with somebody that you don't know.
Even if you know
if you don't know, if you know the person, does that mean that you should go and be doing what are you teaching the people that you said they are watching?
Exactly.
You said you want to entertain us. And you see small children. There is no how that those children will not watch.
Of course.
Because you cannot stop the TV because of them.
Yes.
And you will not stay with the children forever. When they are watching, you can go out. Maybe you are in the office. You will be thinking that your children are watching film, not knowing that it's Big Brother Nigeria they are watching, and they are teaching your children how to have sex. Is that what we want in our society? And we are complaining that youth are not doing this, youth are not doing that. How do you want them to do it? They that you are teaching how to have sex, have to do this. You said you don't see them in they cannot handle any responsibility position in the society. How do you want them to do it? You have given them millions of naira there. And they can get 90 million. Can you imagine? To go and be doing roughly that they are doing there, you are getting 90 million. Who wants to go and work again?
Nobody wants to work again.
Nobody. Who wants to shout when you know that even in there is free food?
It's free food though. Free food,
free air, free everything that you are doing
just for you to
free, just to be there.
And some people will, indulge in immorality. People having sex inside toilets. Having sex under the bed sheets. I don't know. What are you now teaching people that are watching?
Watching. It's entertainment, or they are entertaining us.
Entertainment. Because I believe that if you have a job, if you're working under somebody and you're earning a good pay, and you auditioned for Big Brother, and you told your boss that Oga, I'm going for Big Brother, your guy should sit you down and tell you, what exactly are you going in there to go and
before talking, because we look whether are you okay
or not.
Because it will just force to call doctor for you and please check my staff. I don't think my staff is.
It's only people that are doing businesses of their own, that they have, their own business, that they can actually leave the business and go for because they know that people will actually work and they'll be getting, the money. But I still reason with these Arewa youths. They are saying that they should ban it because it's not teaching any sense. It's not teaching. There is nothing in it. It's just bunch of people. Bunch of grown-ups in the house doing all sort of things, abusing each other, sleeping with each other. And then at the end, you say you found love. Found love where? In a hopeless place. Like, see, no. No, really,
It is well.
it is not actually. It is not because how can you say you want to because you abandoned your call to bar? That girl is funny, oh.
Abandoned. Even she's a disgrace to the family already.
Because our parents, they are meant to sit down and talk to her. Pé, come, like,
okay?
are you okay? Because it's not okay, oh.
I know.
I don't know.
I mean, I know that she's not okay.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Because
but I know that she's not
How
okay.
can I say call to bar? Let me abandon my call to bar and go for big brother. What if I don't win the next million? What will now happen?
Yeah, that's end.
Huh?
End of the career.
Okay, what if she
All
doesn't
the
get to
schools-
the top 5 at all?
She can't get to it. The way I'm looking at her, she can't get to it because all the money that her parents spend from childhood to the university level,
It's just been a
you
scam.
finish law, to go to law school, to call to bar, you now say it can wait. That means those things that they are doing for you from beginning is not important. You are just useless.
We can
for yourself.
you should it's not like you should not we're not saying you should not do something that you want, but then look for something meaningful. That when you tell people that I did not go for my course bar because of these things, because of this, they would give you accolades. They will say
That's great.
it's needed. But now if you tell somebody you abandon your course bar because, and I'm telling you, you are a bright student, you are a very very intelligent lady, you are beautiful, you are brilliant, you're not going into the law profession, it's going to make waves for you, but now you've gone to Big Brother, you now come back later. And you know, this Council of Legal Education, they can be very very, they're choking in their head there.
They knew you now that you are the one that said no to them.
And then if you now
are
come back
coming
later for your course, but what makes you think that they will enroll you? I mean, she should have actually, maybe she has thought it that maybe she will not go eventually.
Okay.
You know, maybe she just
Just
wants to,
want
yeah.
to let me read. Maybe those are the people that their parents forced to do course. Maybe she wants to do it for the parents. Now I'm true for you. I want to face my own.
That is true. That is true. But then, our youth, we have so many. There's so many misplaced priorities. Like we don't know what we want. We don't want to work. Okay, fine. There is no job, but then we can take up skills. We can learn 1 or 2 things. You know, it's they say humble beginnings have been called. You start from somewhere. People that are there now, we have the likes of Elon Musk, Bill Gates. It's not like they woke up and they were in money and their name were among the top people. No, they started from somewhere. Person that did this McDowell's chicken to Kentucky. We started from somewhere. Now everybody's eating chicken. Everybody's eating chicken and chips. McDowell's chicken and chips. Blah, blah, blah. But then it starts from somewhere. You should start from somewhere. Look for something to do. I don't know what they are doing in that Big Brother house. Somebody's telling me, am I following? I say, following what? I think I will now waste my own time and
data.
sit down. No.
My own money and sit down. My own precious
My
time.
time.
I will now
I'll be
sit
watching
down and
nonsense.
watch.
I only hear the gist though. They just diss me. The manager here start explaining this one. I don't know anything about it. Some people when they can actually beat you if you try to change the channel.
You'll be angry.
That's why I'm watching people. What are you watching there? It pays me to be listening to music.
Than to listen.
Or we watch a comment to you, but I'm watching. I first watch soccer. I don't like football, but then now switching to Big Brother. Now our youth, we don't know what is next in our matters in this country. That's why Buhari is always saying that you that we don't know what, because if we know what we actually want, I mean, there are other youths that are actually they're actually in politics. They are making ways for themselves. But you are here in Big Brother, abusing yourselves. Sleeping with each other, and then you start crying that he left you for somebody else again in the house. I don't know.
Crying.
Somebody you don't know. Somebody that can just enjoy. That can just have fun in the house. You are attaching feelings. You are crying because he left.
Crying. You see them holding them. What happened? They will not be pampered themselves. Sorry. I have to leave. That is why.
Don't you know these things? I don't know, but then I see reason with the Iowa so that they said they should ban it. If the government can actually ban it, but they cannot ban it because they are making money from it. So it's going to be a very difficult thing for them to ban it. They can only tell them, to curb the. But then, must you have sex? Must you sleep with each other?
Apart from the sex gossip, there should be
be
a moral
educative.
something there. You want to entertain or let it be educated something. we can't learn anything from them.
Nothing. Just bunch of
Is
grown-ups
it because we
eating,
want to learn to
sleeping.
abuse or to sleep with each other or to sleep?
They want to know that between balloons inside the hole,
Okay.
and be moving from one tire to the other, stuff. So that's
Okay.
that's the thing that they're educating
And then
us.
we go to a park and go and do that.
Or they want to tell us, they want to educate us on behavior. Like, okay, fine, this girl is doing something. They'll go to the diary room. I'm talking about Tolani will talk about Badge, but talk about V. Stuff like that. So it's now when they now finish, they'll now be telling you that this person talked so about you. It's not educating. There is nothing. It's just waste of human resources, waste of money, and delights. But you people that are watching it, God will help you. Continue, and we come and be just not later. But then we cannot use our daughter to. We'll keep
hearing.
We'll keep hearing the gist and everything. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the page. You can see you again on the next episode.